Hey baby, welcome! Today I'm going to show you my 2020 summer gardening season. I grew all my plants from the seeds and I always grow some extra because many times not all will make it. Here's my dog Luna and she's a great help in the backyard and she always comes with the ball. This is the second year that I am not going to have my big garden going, so I planted all my plants around the iron gazebo and my tree and along the fence. On this part of the fence, I had to put some extra fence in because Miss Luna wants to get to the dog on the other side of the fence. They run crazy together, back and forth.
Stop. Go and get water. Go. You gotta go. Go.
Over here, I got my dog-free zone and I got more peppers and more tomatoes growing. These oreganos and dill came back on their own. The dill is not very pretty, but there it is. Over here, I got some hot peppers growing, and these guys over here needs to get in the ground as soon as possible. And here I got these flowers. Look at these pretty flowers. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. Pretty flowers. I really like these Dollar Tree spinners. Come on, spin buddy, spin. Look at it go. They're so cute. And here I got some herbs and these guys are doing really good. So let's go back to the iron gazebo area. And here's the dog. Look at that face. Isn't it cute? Such a cute face. I love it. This is the other side of the iron gazebo and I got these plants in very late because I was battling with this freaking grass weed. I think it was alien monster and I had a hard time getting rid of it. Now I don't like bugs, but I do like these lightning bugs we have around here. I wait for them every summer to get busy to do their thing. I was trying to get some footage with my camera for you to see, but it was a lot harder than I thought. So these are the best few clips I got. I think they are amazing and they are blinking everywhere. All these black-eyed Susans grow back on their own, so I just let them be. And my sunflowers grew so pretty. And these were the ones that were growing near my house, so I can enjoy them from my kitchen window. So very nice. I also had some gooseberries and blackberries for us to snack on. So this is how the hot peppers were looking, and I used some of them on our pizza, but oh my god, they were spicy. So I gave some of them to my neighbors to taste and to enjoy. That kind of neighbor I am. Those yellow ones are called pineapple tomatillos and they come in husks like this. And I like them so much. We've been eating so many fresh tomatoes and peppers lately and I keep them on my counter for a quick snack when we walk by. We can just snack on them. Yum. They're so good. And they're right here. We also cook a lot and I have made some pepper poppers and stuffed peppers and whole lot of roasted tomatoes on a grill so far. good eating right there. I have picked many trays full of these goodies from the garden, and I had enough to give away. If you made it this far, what do you think about my video? Let me know in the comments down below, because I would like to know. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If you want to see more, go ahead and click on these videos right here, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.